In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting to change the color of a cell based on the text in Google Sheets. This tool is incredibly handy for making your data visually intuitive and easy to interpret. Let's dive into it. First, make sure you have a Google Sheet open. You can use any existing sheet or create a new one if you'd like. Once your sheet is open, to get started on conditional formatting, we're going to focus on a couple of cells. We'll highlight cells B2 to B3. These are the cells where we'll apply our formatting rules. To do this, simply click and drag over these cells, or use Shift plus click to select both. Next, move your attention to the top menu and find the Format option. When you click on Format, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, we want to select Conditional Formatting. Doing so will open up a new pane on the right side of your sheet. This pane is where you'll be able to set all the rules for your conditional formatting. In this pane, you'll find a section labeled Format Rules. Click on this drop-down menu and choose Text is Exactly. This option allows us to apply formatting based on specific text input. For our first rule, type in the word Yes in the field provided. This means that whenever the cell contains the text Yes, it will trigger the formatting rule you've set up. Now let's decide how we want cells containing Yes to look. Below the text field, find and click on the Fill Color option. Select the color green. This creates a visual cue that links Yes with the color green, useful for quick visual analysis. Once you've set the color, finalize this rule by clicking Done. However, sometimes you'll want to include multiple conditions. So let's add another rule. For that, click on the plus Add Another Rule option found in the Conditional Formatting pane. You'll again choose Text is Exactly from the drop-down menu. This time, in the text field, type in No. We'll set it so that when the cell reads No, a different visual representation is used. To make this distinction clear, click on the Fill Color once again and choose Red. Now, No will appear with a red background, providing an immediate visual distinction from Yes. Once you have everything configured, hit Done to save your rules. Finally, to see your conditional formatting in action, let's test it out. Click on cell B2 and type Yes. You should see it turn green right away. Next, click on cell B3, type in No, and observe how it goes red. And there you have it, a dynamic spreadsheet where colors shift with your data inputs, making it easy and efficient to read and interpret. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to use these skills to keep your data visually organized and effective.